Do you want to change a country in your booking account? Okay, go to booking, okay, and here in booking app, in booking.com, okay, and here in this section in search, okay, go to down and go to the here, okay, in the profile option, and this option you have a user, okay, and scrolling down, go down and go to the first option in manage your account, okay. Go here in manage your account, and here you have a section, name, email address details, and address, okay, and here you select the country, okay, and you change the country, okay, Bolivia, for example, down, and you have a new country in your account booking, okay, and bye bye.